Okay, so we continue our lecture series on inequalities, and we are still under linear inequalities. And in this video, I want us to consider a form of linear inequalities that has three sides. Okay, so consider this problem. Okay, look at this problem for a minute. You find that this problem has three sides. Uh, the The part on the middle is being compared not to just one side where we just say this is less than 7, but we are saying that it is also greater than -2. Okay, so we have an expression on the middle being compared to two things, not just one. So how do you go about solving this? Okay, so for you to solve this, what you need to do is you apply the same rules that we apply when you're solving just uh, an inequality that just has one inequality sign. Okay, and let's try to solve this question. So what you do is, in this case, we need to get rid of 2, which is at the bottom. So what are we going to do? The thing that we need to do is we need to multiply um, this side, the middle part, by 2. But if we multiply the middle part by 2, it means that we also multiply this part by 2, even this part by 2. That's how it works. So once you do that, you find that here you get a -4 to be uh, to be to be less than -4 to be less than this 2, and this 2 will cancel, you just remain 2x plus 2. And again you have a less than, here you have 14. Okay, so now we have this. We need to get rid of these 2. So how do we get rid of these 2? The way we get rid of these 2 is we subtract the 2 here. If we subtract the 2 here, it means that we also subtract a 2 here, and we also subtract a 2 here. Okay, so we find that this side you're going to get a -8 less than 2x, and again this is less than 12. So we need to get rid of these 2. How do we get rid of it? We are going to divide by 2 so that we just remain with the x. If you divide by 2 here, it means that you also divide by 2 here, even this side you divide by 2. Find that this side we get a -4 less than x, and here you get um, x to be less than 6 as your final answer. So you find that your final answer is -4 less than x is less than 6. So that's how you go about solving inequalities that involve more than one inequality sign. Okay, so we're going to expand on this concept in more videos, and if you have any question you haven't understood, you can text me on the number that you see on the screen. But I'm sure guys we've understood. This was simple. All right, see you. Bye bye.